Friends, in this video today we will talk about medicines after hair transplant. I am Dr. Navdeep Goyal, MBBS DNB from Haryana, India. I am a member of International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons. Most common question asked by patients is that how long do we need to take medicines after hair transplant? This picture that you are seeing in this video is of a patient that we had done transplant around 7 months back. Normally, we prescribe medicines for the initial 6 months at a stretch when you come for hair transplant if your hairs are weak. If your hairs are strong, then normally there is no need for any medicines. But if your hairs are weak, then we normally prescribe it for 6 months after hair transplant, and then you are advised to come back for consultation, for review, so that we can review your medicines after that. Just remember one thing, that medicines may not be required after transplant lifelong for your transplanted hair, but you will need them for your existing hairs, for your existing hair fall. Never be in a state of mind, never think that just by transplanting a few hairs, your remaining or existing hairs, they will grow naturally. They will not grow by themselves. You need to treat them by medicines, by PRP, or by whatever method you want. But we suggest is that you should continue medicines, but even medicines will not work for lifelong. They will not work lifelong. So after some time, after few months or few years, your medicines may stop working and you may still lose your hairs in spite of medicines. That will be the time when you will need to go for second setting or further settings of hair transplant. So always try to prevent or delay your hair fall, okay, and further sessions of hair transplant. It is not advisable and it is not a wise decision that you stop the medicines and lose your hairs and go early for a hair transplant. Always try to delay your hair transplant. ट्रांसप्लांट की कभी भी कोई जल्दी नहीं है, हमेशा इसको डिले करो, लेट करो, ताकि आपको जल्दी ट्रांसप्लांट ना करवाना पड़े. जितना कम करवाना पड़े उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The less you go for hair transplant, the better it will be. So always try to postpone your hair transplant by using any medicines or anything. Once you've gone for a first setting of hair transplant, then always be in touch with your doctor. Always be in touch with your doctor so that he can control your existing hair loss and he can prevent you from losing your hairs. Thank you.